Three scientific theories about space that could be terrifying. 1. The theory of white holes. White holes are a theoretical concept in physics that proposes the existence of regions in space-time that are the opposite of black holes. Instead of sucking in matter and light like black holes do, white holes are thought to expel matter and energy. Black holes are well known in physics and astronomy. They are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This occurs when a star collapses under its own gravity at the end of its life, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity, surrounded by a region called an event horizon from which nothing can escape. In contrast, in a white hole, it is believed that there is a singularity that expels matter and energy, and it has an event horizon from which nothing can enter. This is the most obvious difference from black holes. While black holes attract everything towards them, white holes repel everything. The idea of white holes arises from solutions to Einstein's general theory of relativity equations. Some scientists have proposed that white holes could be the exit of a black hole, forming a type of tunnel in spacetime called a wormhole. However, it is important to note that to date, there is no observational evidence for the existence of white holes. They are a theoretical idea that has not yet been confirmed. Some scientists have even suggested that if they exist, they could be unstable and collapse into a black hole before they could be observed. In summary, white holes are a fascinating concept in theoretical physics that offers a completely different perspective on the nature of spacetime, but there is still much to learn and confirm about their existence and properties. 2. Dead galaxies. Dead galaxies are those that have ceased to produce stars. This phenomenon can occur due to the lack of cold hydrogen, which is the necessary fuel for star formation within a galaxy. Without this hydrogen, the galaxy cannot form new stars and is considered dead. An example of a dead galaxy is MAX 2129, one also known as the Galactic Cemetery. This galaxy, located 10 billion light-years away from Earth, stopped producing stars a few billion years after the Big Bang and now consists only of dying red dwarf stars and black exoplanets. A recent study discovered 6 dead galaxies dating back to approximately 3 billion years after the Big Bang, at a time in the universe when all galaxies should have been actively forming many stars. This discovery was made by a group of astronomers using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array ALMA Observatory in Chile. To find these distant galaxies, scientists utilized extremely massive galaxy clusters and a phenomenon known as strong gravitational lensing, in which the gravity of a giant galaxy cluster distorts space, bending and magnifying the light from background objects, acting as a natural telescope to see further into outer space. It is still unknown exactly what happened to these galaxies, but some theories include the possible evaporation of hydrogen or the potential exhaustion of all the hydrogen they had. 3. Supernovae. A supernova is an extremely powerful stellar explosion that occurs at the end of the life of a massive star. During a supernova, the star undergoes a release of energy so colossal that it can become brighter than an entire galaxy. The disturbing aspect of supernovae lies in their destructive capacity. During the explosion, a star can release an amount of energy equivalent to that emitted by the sun throughout its entire lifetime, in just a few seconds. This energy is released in the form of radiation and coronal mass ejections, which can trigger powerful shock waves and launch stellar material into space at extreme velocities. If a supernova were to occur relatively close to Earth, within a range of a few light-years, it could have devastating consequences. The radiation and energetic particles emitted could severely damage the ozone layer and expose the Earth's surface to dangerous levels of ultraviolet radiation. Additionally, the coronal mass ejections could interfere with communications and electrical grids, causing large-scale blackouts. Fortunately, nearby supernovae are rare events in both time and space. However, knowing that they exist and could have such disturbing effects on our planetary environment reminds us of the incredible violence and volatility of the universe we inhabit. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through space. I hope you found these disturbing facts about the universe as intriguing as I did. If you enjoyed this content and want to explore more about space and other interesting topics, I invite you to follow me on this adventure. Subscribe to my channel to not miss any new videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated on each new release. I would love to hear your comments and suggestions. Is there a specific topic you would like me to cover in future videos? Leave your ideas in the comment section, and I'll be delighted to respond and consider your proposals. Remember to share this video with your friends and loved ones who are also passionate about space and science. Together, we can expand knowledge and share the wonder of the universe. Thank you for being part of this community. I hope to see you soon in my next video.